In this video, we will learn how to level up fast in Fortnite. Leveling up in Fortnite requires you to grind a lot of amount of EXP to level up fast, and the main source of XP will be playing matchmade games, because in matchmade games for every kills or resurrects you can gain a ton of XP. But currently the matchmade game EXP is quite low for you to level up faster. And in this case, the questing system comes in. By completing certain quests, you can get a ton of XP, which in turn helps you level up your battle pass and your account. You can view all the quests that are available to you and ongoing by going to the quest tab from the top left hand side of your screen. In here you will find your questing for different game modes: creator mode, battle royale mode, Fortnite OG mode, ballistics mode, Fortnite reloaded, and several more. Suppose you playing Fortnite Battle Royale to level up your account and battle pass. After coming in here, you will see a tab called Daily Quest. In here you can see all the daily quests that you can do to gain XP. There are 3 daily quests each day, which are extremely simple. What I got today was Gain Shield, which you can do easily, outlast 50 players in a match, which is also not that hard, and search containers at Hopeful Heights or a Brutal Boxcar, so it is also an easy task. By completing these 3 quests, you can get 3k EXP individually, and for the 3 checkpoints, you will get 75k XP in total. There are also weekly XP that you can grind in Fortnite, which you can find at the bottom hand side of the tab. The weekly quests are the quests that give you the most amount of EXP, and they are not always very easy and quite challenging. As you can see, all my weekly quests are in here, which I can track and follow. Weekly quests become available each week and you can complete it anytime. So this new season has completed its 8th week, so I have 8 week worth of missions available in here, and the week 9 mission will be available in the next week. Completing weekly quests will be a big boost to your account level. As you can see, currently I have 1 million worth of XP in weekly quests, and by completing it I can easily get these EXP. There are also several story quests that are available in each season of the game, which you can see from here. There are also event quests that you can do. So currently the Godzilla event is running, and you can see all the Godzilla event quests in here. The ranked missions are also something you can try to do, but the reward is nothing much. There are also 2 different quest types, like a Kickstarter and expertise quest. You can do these challenges by doing various parkours and seasonal quests, and you can also do the expertise quest. You can track all of these quests from here. So we can say that in order to grind your account level, you'll need to complete all the quests in your quest section. By completing quests, you can easily achieve millions of experience points in a short amount of time, and it will also let you play, which will accumulate even more XP. So this is how you can easily level up faster in Fortnite through completing quests, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.